Welcome to a video tour for the Archdiocese of Portland and Oregon Office of Vocations Mobile App. Here we are on the home page of the app and we see a nice slideshow. Let's take a look at the pray section. Here we have a lot of prayers. Let's take a look at common prayers. And we see there's a lot of common prayers. They're just nicely inside the app here and easy to navigate. Let's take a look at order of the Mass. Here we have the order of the Mass in the app as well. We also have the daily Mass readings right here inside the app. We have Sunday reading reflections. We also have the Liturgy of the Hours here in the app. These are pulling from iBreviary. We also have divineoffice.org in here. We have the entire Bible. Can change the version of the Bible and of course navigate to different books and chapters. We have even more prayers, Saints of the Day, Station of the Cross, Rosary. All of these resources can easily be added or removed using the app's backend editor, and we have a separate video tour that shows you the backend editor. Let's take a look at events. Here we have events for this vocations office, and what's really neat about this events page is that it is pulling from the website. So when they update their events on their website, they're automatically updating the app. We can do that with any website page. The more mobile friendly that page, the better it will look in the app. In this case, Portland is using our website as well, and you see the mobile view is very streamlined, so you don't even really notice that you're looking at a website. You think that you are 100% in the app. We can do this with any website, but again, the more mobile friendly, the better it works. Works good for calendars as well as any page on your website you may update a lot. Here we'll take a look at the Discern section. They've put a lot of nice discernment resources and questions right into the app itself. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at priesthood. Again, a lot of resources built into the app itself. Take a look at the more section. Here they have information on the seminary. All very easy to read. Seminarians, typical schedule. Take a look at that. All right, let's look at, let's see, they've got some questions here. Let's look at resources. Here they have links to their seminaries and other online vocation resources. Let's take a look at the Learn section. We have the entire catechism, thanks to Knights of Columbus. Again, mobile friendly and looks good inside the app. Busted Halo also looks very good inside the app. Again, you can easily add and remove these resources. We put a lot of them in there for you to start. Reading reflections, Vatican, movie reviews, Catholic news service. Let's take a look at GPS directions. You can click a button to pull up your app's navigation system. You can call and email right from this page. You can also add in multiple versions of this page. If, for example, you're having an event or a retreat or a conference at another location, and you want to easily say to people, hey, download our app, and the directions and the map to this retreat center are built into the app. It's right there. Very easy to do. Here we have videos. In this case, they're using YouTube to store the videos, and of course, YouTube looks very good right inside the app. The capture tool is a fun little built-in program that will use the phone or tablet's camera to capture a photo, and then it can be emailed to a staff email address of your choosing. It's a good way for you to collect photos at events without having to take all the photos yourself. Here we have a photo gallery. Now you add in these items yourself. Those captures are emailed to you, and then you can decide which go into the gallery here. They're not automatically uploaded to the gallery, but we see some nice pictures here. Messages is where push notifications are stored. With this app, you have the ability to go into the backend editor and send out push notifications right to these devices. Now, depending on how the user has their notifications set up, this could mean that you're able to send a message that pops up on top of the user doing something else. It's a very powerful resource and ability. The user does not have to give you their name or email by simply downloading the app and saying yes to notifications. They receive them. So, a great way to reach out to people and to promote big events. There is a built in journal. You can take notes. Those journal notes are stored to the device, so they're not shared with anyone else. You can share this app with others. All of these resources you see here, all these pages, they can be rearranged. In the backend editor, you'll see that if you move any of these to the top 4 spots, they appear on the home page. So you can have multiple photo galleries, multiple events pages. You can rearrange the order, add your own sections. The main things you will probably put in your app are info pages like we see with all these resources, where you're typing the content right into the app editor. And then, of course, it's very common to use website tabs or website resources to embed existing online resources into the app. And then there's, of course, the other neat features like journal and directions, which are other device specific tools which really make the app something exciting. And then, of course, push notifications really give you an ability to reach out to people perhaps like never before. So the mobile app is a wonderful tool. If you have us build your website as well, we can really make the app and the website work together. But even if not, we've combined apps with existing websites and try to do a good job of using your logo and colors and photos to really give it your branded experience. This app will have your office name in the App Store. It will have your logo on the icon. You get to approve our designs before anything goes live. So this is a very custom branded solution, and it is made just for your vocations office. You may think that your prospects and parents are using some of these resources already, and they probably are, but how much better would it be to have them praying the Liturgy of the Hours and reading the Bible on their phones right underneath the umbrella of your name and your colors and your logos, and of course, with your contact form and your other abilities to reach out to you and to staff directly, it makes it a great lead capturing tool and a great way to stay in touch with those who are thinking about a vocation, those who support your vocations office, those who are maybe already in your program, and really even for other members of your diocese or even your ordained priests already. This app can also be built for non-priesthood vocations, so female religious orders or male religious orders. This app could be built. A lot of the same resources would be included. So we're showing a diocesan vocations office here, but we could easily customize this for any vocations program. And if you haven't already, you may want to watch the video tour of the backend editor so you can see just how easy it will be to take care and maintain this app going forward. We do build it and set it up for you completely to start, so you don't have to worry about anything with Apple signing certificates or Apple ID accounts or Android accounts. We put it in the Apple and Android stores for you. You then can use the editing tool to simply maintain the app going forward. It works on iPhone and iPad. So on iPad, it fills the screen nicely. It's a real iPad app as well as an iPhone app, and then, of course, an app for all sized Android devices. Thanks so much. Bye bye.